Welcome to Vanindin Academy, and a big thank you to all my new viewers and to those returning to the channel. Your support truly means a lot. Today, we're uncovering the 5 biggest solar lies installers are still telling in 2025. These are not small fibs, they're major misconceptions that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars if you're not prepared. So let's dive in. You know that 25-year warranty your installer loves to highlight? In reality, there's no such thing as a single, all-in-one, bumper-to-bumper warranty. Instead, you have 3 different ones. A product warranty that covers manufacturing defects, a performance warranty that guarantees how much energy your panels will produce over time, and an installer's workmanship warranty that covers the actual installation. The catch is that workmanship warranties are often much shorter. And if your installer goes bankrupt, you may be left with an orphan system and a big repair bill. That so-called ironclad warranty isn't as secure as it sounds. Next is the classic claim that solar will completely eliminate your electric bill. The pitch looks great on paper, but real life tells a different story. Solar panels degrade slowly over time, real-world conditions like dust and pollen reduce their efficiency, and the biggest factor today is utility policy changes. In places like California, new net metering rules mean you can sell your solar power for pennies in the afternoon, only to buy it back for 40 cents at night. That promise of a $0 bill simply doesn't hold up anymore. Then there's the top-tier equipment line. Sales reps love to brag about Tier 1 panels, but that label has nothing to do with quality. It just means the manufacturer is financially stable. A Tier 1 company can make budget panels as well as premium ones, and you might not be getting the best option. Inverters are another big difference. String inverters are cheaper, but have shorter warranties, while microinverters cost more but last longer. Even panels with the same 25-year warranty can vary by as much as 10% in performance over time, which translates into a massive difference in your savings. Now let's talk about the $0 down offer. Many installers pitch this as free solar, but it's usually a lease or power purchase agreement. In those cases, you don't own the system. You can lose access to the 30% federal tax credit, and your contract can place a lien on your home through a UCC-1 filing. On top of that, many contracts include escalator clauses that raise your payments every year. What looks like savings in the first year can turn into a financial trap over time. Finally, there's the claim that your system is future-proof. The truth is, your energy needs change. If you add an electric car, install a heat pump, or expand your home, your system may no longer cover your usage. Utility policies can also shift, making batteries more important than ever. And with so many installers going out of business, a system that looks perfect today might leave you with no one to call tomorrow. Let's recap. The promise of a single all-in-one warranty is a fantasy. Eliminating your electric bill is highly unlikely. Tier 1 doesn't mean the best equipment. Zero-down solar is rarely free, and no system is truly future-proof. But here's the good news. Going solar is still one of the best investments you can make if you choose the right partner. Look for 3 green flags: installers who are transparent about warranties, who provide realistic performance estimates, and who have a long track record in your community. These are the companies you can actually trust. To protect yourself, always get at least 3 quotes from vetted local installers. That way you can compare equipment, warranties, and pricing on an even playing field. If you'd like to start with a free solar savings estimate from trusted installers in your area, check the link in the description. Thank you again to all my new and returning viewers for being here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vanindin Academy for more straight talk on solar, and stay empowered. I'll see you in the next one.